So in today's video, we have the Eyescream Beauty bag, which is $12.50 every month. And then we have the big boy. This is the Eyescream Beauty box, which is $25 a month. So if you want to see what I got inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Because you guys know I have opinions and thoughts. Okay, get to the point here. Keep on watching. All right, so I always start with the bag first. I'm most excited about this because it's only $12.50. Now, you do have to pay for shipping. Oh, I always forget to tell you, I do have a code. It's just Ann in all caps, save you some money off. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. But I really think this is worth the money because you get between 3 and 4 items that are full size. So, I mean, you can't beat that for the price. And the shipping, it is an indie brand, and shipping did go up, so, you know. But, I mean, yeah. I really do. I've never been disappointed in the $12.50 bag. Now, some months are better than others, let's just be real. But, overall, I think it's worth the money, you know? All right, so you get 3 items this month, and what does that say? It just says Eyescream Beauty bag. Okay. So the first thing is from Oakland. This is a perfect liquid liner. And I don't wear a liquid liner, so I'm not going to open it. Ooh, but it's in rose gold, so I might have to. And this is $4. Let's see. The packaging's really pretty. The flowers and stuff. Yeah, that's really pretty. It has some weight to it, too. Okay, so it's definitely liquid liner. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Can you see? Let me like make it thicker so you can see a little bit more. So you can make it thin or thicker. That's gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Lord. It's not black. So I might play around with this, you know? All right. I'm definitely excited about that. Okay. So that's the first item. And then the next is 2 palettes. Okay, so the first thing is from Bella Pierre, and this is a lip palette. Now, Bella Pierre is one of those expensive brands that I don't think is worth the price, but it is expensive. And this puppy right here is, oh my God. I have not got my money glasses in so long, and I shouldn't have to get them because I know Bella Pierre is expensive, but just for the fun of it, this puppy is $50. You heard me right, $50. But that's why I like subscription boxes, because you're not really paying that. You know, it's $12.50 this subscription, and you get a $50 lip palette. Now, this is good if you want to mix your colors together and all that. I'm lazy. I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to put it in a future giveaway, but it looks beautiful. And I think this is good, like I said, for those of you that like to have your own custom color, because I do that too with bullet lipsticks. I enjoy making like my own custom color. You know what I'm saying? So you can't beat that. So that's nice. And last but not least is this puppy right here. This is an Oakland Metallic Glitter Palette for $14. Oh no, is it all glitter? And if you move it, I don't know what you can see. It's one of those things that if you turn it, it does different things. Maybe if I take the plastic off here and show you. Can you guys see? Oh, that's so friggin' cool. But look at that. So you have 3 mattes and then here. So you know I got to swatch. Wait till I show you. Would you look at this? Okay. Look at that silver. Holy crap. Look at that gold. Bronzy color. Wow. Okay. Look at that pink. And that was on my pinky. So let me swatch that again. That is gorgeous. Okay, let me swatch a couple more. They are beautiful. Oh, look at that. That's just going in one time, guys. All right, let me do the last purple one right here. Look. I wish you could see this in person. That is so gorgeous. And here, I think it's nice because you can set your eyes. You can deepen it up. Do you know what I mean? You can use it as a transition, what have you, but how much was this? $14. When I tell you these are beautiful, they are gorgeous. Okay, so let's recap everything that we received in the beauty bag. So you get this palette, which I'm telling you, I will definitely be using this. Probably more or less for the, like, the metallic shade. It's definitely that. We have liquid eyeliner in rose gold, which will look beautiful with this. And then you have the Bella Pierre, what is this called again? Lip palette, which this is just a personal preference, but altogether, I mean, I know I keep saying it, but I really do like these subscriptions. I really, really do. All right, so let me put these away. I'm going to wipe this off, and then we'll get to the beauty box. Okay, so here is the beauty box. It is $25 a month, and this is April's box. And let's open her up. So when you open her up, it looks like this. So you always get 5 full-size items with this, and the theme for April is You're Blooming. And then it just tells you what you have and gives you prices. And then it always comes packaged very, very nice. And these are biodegradable. I say it every month. I'm sure you guys know. So let me throw these away and then get to what's in the box. I've been very proud of myself lately. I have been remembering a trash bag every time I unbox. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
All right, one of the things is really nice. I already have it, but I'm excited that's in a box. Okay. So the first thing is a banana setting powder. I was like stumbling over my words. This is from Bella Pierre, and this is $30. This little thing is $30, but Bella Pierre is expensive. I mean, this thing is tiny. But banana powder is good if you want to highlight like under your eyes or anything like that. So that's what I use it for. So I'll definitely use it. And yeah, but I don't know if I would pay $30 for this. But again, that's why I like subscription boxes, you know? Okay. The next thing is Be a Bombshell. This is an eye base in Big Teal. This is $14. An eye base. Let me see. I don't know if it's an eyeliner. This has to be an eyeliner. It says eye base. All right, let me just show you. That has to be an eyeliner or a cream shadow. That can't be an eye base. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it'd be a cream shadow. It feels very creamy, but I would wear that as a cream shadow because let's just blend it. It wouldn't. I mean, I guess you can use it under. I know like they have black and stuff like that to bring it out, but I personally wouldn't use it as an eye base. But that's what it says it is. It's a very pretty color though. Let's just be real. It really is. We'll test it out with something else that's in here and on my hand just to see what it would look like, you know? Okay. The next thing is for Galactive. And this is a Rose Oil Petal Gloss. I believe we got this before. I don't think this box, but I remember receiving this before. And this is $20. Yes, I did. Maybe BoxyCharm. And I definitely use it. It has real rose petals in it. And it's a lip oil. It says lip gloss. But I remember using this and it just, I mean, you're not going to be able to see it. It is a little sticky, but it goes away very quickly. But if you guys can see, it really has the rose petals in it. It's very pretty, don't get me wrong. I like using this over top of lipsticks, and I'll definitely use it. I used the other one all up, so loved it, you know? Glad to get another one. Okay, so the next thing is from Mirabella. What you be? This is a liner with stamp for $20. A couple years ago, I did a video trying this. Because you guys know I don't do liquid eyeliner and I definitely can't do wings. Definitely. And I tried to use the stamp one and I just couldn't figure it out. So maybe the next time I go live, we'll use this again. Maybe I'll get better at it. It has plastic on it, so I don't want to take the plastic off, but one has the little stamp like a wing, and then the other side is the liquid liner where you would like fill it in. So we'll definitely do that next time just for like shits and giggles, you know what I mean? And see, but we have that. But the star of the show, and last but not least, is from Ace Beauty, and this is the quintessential eyeshadow palettes. Now I already have mine. Let me see if I can go find it, that way I don't open this up, you know, I could put it in a future giveaway. So I'll be right back. That took me a minute to find it because your girl has a lot of shadows, but this is mine right here. Let me show you what it looks like. You can see mine has been used and abused. And I really like this palette. I actually like this brand. I'll do a few swatches. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that. That is just going in one time. This right here is a shimmer shade. But let's do that blue base and put some shadow over it to see how that works with blue base. I've never heard of that before. Let's see. It'd be a beautiful, though, like cream shade or eyeliner, wouldn't it? It's really pretty. And it's very creamy, you know, it really is. Okay, so I put a little bit more on. Let's do like that blue and just see. It makes it more like glossy because it's a matte and it looks more sheen. But I mean, as far as color payoff, it's about the same because Ace Beauty has really good shadows. Let's do like a pink. Like this pink. This is like a shimmer and shade. Yeah, see, it's mixing up and turning it purple. This is without the eye base and this is with the base. It's just turning the color and making it a little bit more glossy. Yeah, so I don't know. I'd have to look up and see why you would use this eye base, or did they sticker it or like misquote it? Do you know what I'm saying? Let me know down below if you ever tried like a teal eye base. And if you have, what is it used for? Let me know. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the box. So this one here, I will definitely put in a future giveaway. So we have the Ace Beauty palettes. We have the lip oil or lip gloss, which I'll definitely use it. We have the stamp, which I'll definitely try. I think I'm going to go live on Saturday. We have the banana powder, and then we have the teal base. I still think it's worth $25. I think it's great. I really, really like this brand. I like the get it out. Get it out. I like the bag better, but let me know what you guys like. Do you like the box? Do you like the bag? Are you not into the Eyescream Beauty box? I think they're doing pretty good for being an indie brand, you know? Let me know down below. Do you get it? Do you not? Don't forget, I do have that code if you want to try it out and save some money. It is just Ann in all caps. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Like this video if you're enjoying like the indie brands and the like the Eyescream Beauty box, stuff like that. Let me know. Or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Make sure you leave a comment. That helps me out too. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know what you think of these boxes. Leave an emoji. Don't forget, I do have that second channel. It's called Just Ann's World. If you want to get to know me more on a personal level, I will leave it down below. I started my walk and talks where I'm walking around my neighborhood, just chit-chatting. If that is something that you're interested in, check it out. And yeah, that is everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, I made a mess. I made a mess. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay, see how easy it is to take off. Yeah, that's how you can tell it's a good palette, because I can still see a little bit there. I gotta go wash my hands anyway. Oh my God, I got the grease all over here. What was I thinking? I made a mess.